I guess we should be happy that Giannis signed to Nike and not Jordan Brand, because no way Randy Moss will allow his shoe to be called the Freak 2. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and it's another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Nike Zoom Freak 1 All Bros. Now, this shoe is Giannis Antetokounmpo's debut colorway of his Zoom Freak 1, his first signature shoe. And this shoe pays homage, or is drawing inspiration from his four brothers, Francis, Alex, Thanasis, and Costas. What Nike likes to do is basically release a wild or loud colorway for the debut colorway of shoes. Some that comes to mind are the Preheats, the South Beaches, the Peach Jam for the KD11. They like to just release these loud colorways. The Uncle Drew Kyrie Low 1. All right, I'm going off topic, but yeah, what Nike really likes to do is release these loud colorways as debut colorways before they give us the more muted tones, and that's what the All Bros colorway is. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is a white box with Giannis's logo on the bottom right, as well as, and I don't know if you can see it, but the whole box also has this overlay print of Giannis's logo. It's all over. Also, you've got the Nike swoosh on the front panel. On the side panel of the box, you have Giannis's signature. On the back, you've got the Antetokounmpo word logo. And on the side, you got more of the overlaid logos. And the colorway is Total Orange and Midnight Navy. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe utilizes a combination of mesh and this neoprene-like design for the majority of the shoe. You've got, for the toe box, the orange toe box, and this is mesh. And under the upper, you can kind of see it, is this graphic, and it actually wraps around a lot of the shoe, so you can see it right there also. Like I said, the top part is mesh. It's like a really solid mesh. It's not like you can't really like put your finger through it. It's woven really tight. Taking a look at the tongue, you've got this neoprene-like tongue. It feels like neoprene. It's super soft and it's stretchy. You've got the Nike logo at the bottom of the tongue, and you've got Giannis's logo on the tongue tag, and the actual tongue is Midnight Navy. Also, you've got Midnight Navy laces. The insole is Midnight Navy with All Bros in white and Total Orange. Taking a look at the lateral, you've got the Total Orange upper, along with a little bit of the midsole kind of peeking out with this giant Nike swoosh. The heel has the orange upper wrapping around, and you also got the neoprene back tab with the number 34, which is Giannis's jersey number, and it also kind of resembles the Greek flag, which is Giannis's home country. The medial features an orange upper with a blue Nike swoosh towards the quarter. The midsole is this gradient orange, yellow, and blue with a blue and white speckled Nike swoosh. And on the medial side, you've got the words Charles and Veronica. Charles and Veronica are Giannis's parents. And the outsole is mainly white with two translucent sections, and they're both in the design of a rose. And if you can kind of see it, you also have Giannis's logo in orange. Right below the larger translucent section, you have the words "I am my father's legacy," and that's basically paying tribute to Giannis's dad, who died a couple years ago. And on the heel, I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but you've got the names of all four of Giannis's brothers: Francis, Thanasis, Costas, and Alex. Honestly, this is a really nice shoe. It's a nice debut shoe. It's super clean, and I think that as more colorways come out, I know we've got a Coming to America colorway coming out. It's got kind of like super leopard print. I think that might be a little too extra, but like as a debut colorway, this is actually really nice. I don't know if we're ever gonna see this colorway on the court, because the Bucks don't really have any orange jerseys. I know the black and white colorway that's coming out is probably going to be the main colorway he wears for most of the season. But this colorway is also super nice. It reminds me of a lot of the LeBrons. A lot of the LeBrons have ended up in this Nick type colorway. Also, the Hardwood Classics have also basically been this colorway. But this is the first Buck since Ray Allen, Vin Baker, to have their own signature shoe. So is actually really good, and I think this would be really good for the city of Milwaukee as well as for the country of Greece, because as the first Greek MVP, I think that's just amazing. And for him to pay tribute to not only his brothers but also his parents on his shoe, plenty of players have done that. Kyrie's done that. Russell Westbrook's done that, but when you look at a player like Giannis, you see that he just plays with his heart on his shoulder all the time, and he just really looked like a humble, innocent, good-willed type of guy. And I think that's really dope. And I'm glad that Nike finally realized that and gave him his own signature shoe. Now, if only we can get AD a signature shoe, Nike. Now that he's in LA, he might just get that signature shoe. You never know. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Nike Zoom Freak 1 All Bros is now available at select Nike retailers and Nike.com for a retail price of $120. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out the Solepost.com for more news, features, and purchase links for all the shoes we feature on the channel. Also, you can follow us everywhere at the Solepost. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.